And it sounds like I played a good song, the kind that you could write a book on. You changed it halfway through the chorus, and then I realized I didn't like it that much anyway. At least half the time it's funny conversation about the breeze outside and sipping on some coffee that we say is fun, and it might be a lie. Either way, I don't really mind, 'cause when I scream for ice cream, you scream 'cause you